let's do one where you're doing it by yourself, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's look at problem D. What does the problem D say?
1/2 plus 1/3 equals.
Alright, so what is the first thing you need to do in trying to figure out this problem?
Model the fraction.
Alright, how do you do that?
We take the counters and we, for the first one, where 1/2, we use a red one to represent one out of the half. The one out of, yeah, the half.
Alright, let me see it. Good. Alright, so how do you represent the next one?
We take one red counter out of 3 to represent the 1 out of 3.
Alright. Awesome, good job. Alright, so you've modeled the fractions. What next?
We find the multiples of the denominators.
Alright, good. Which denominator are you going to find the multiples of first?
1/2.
1/2, alright. Let's see. What is the denominator of 1/2?
2.
Good.
So 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 5 is 10.
Good. Awesome. Alright, and the other denominator is?
3.
Good.
3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. And 3 times 5 is 15.
Awesome, good job. So you found the multiples, and what do you do after that?
We determine the lowest common denominator.
Good job. So what number in both of those sets are the same?
6.
Awesome, good job. So circle the sixes. Alright, so what do you do after that?
We determine how many new sets we need to find the fraction.
Alright, so how do you do that?
Well, we we jump to the numbers and see how many it takes to make how many sets.
Alright, so how many times did you multiply 2 to get 6?
1, 2, 3 times.
Good. So you need how many sets of 1/2?
3.
Good. So let's see how many sets you will need of 1/3 too. So how many times did you multiply 3?
1, 2, 2.
Good. So how many sets of 1/3?
2.
Good. So let's start with the 1/2. How many sets do you need?
3.
3. So let's see if you can make 3 sets of 1/2. Good. And how many sets of 1/3?
2.
2. Awesome. So we have one. Let's see if you can make 2 sets. Awesome. Good job. And what is the last thing you do?
Combine the fraction sets.
Alright. So how do you do that?
We take all of the red ones and put them together.
So the counters are going to be in sets of what?
They're going to be in sets.
What number did you circle?
6.
So they're going to be sets of 6, right?
Mm.
Alright, so start with the red ones.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we take a yellow one as a placeholder.
Good. And what do you do with the other yellow ones?
We take the yellow and just put them as placeholders as well.
Good. Alright, so what is your answer?
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red counters. Out of 6, it will be 5, 6.
Awesome, good job. Alright, can you write your answer? Alright, so what does that whole number sentence say?
1/2 plus 1/3 equals 5, 6.
Awesome, good job.